Happy National Left-Handers Day. So that is today. Happy. Have your hands on your chest flat. Swipe up twice. Happy. Or you can use one hand. Happy. National. Left hand or non-dominant hand make a fist. Right hand or dominant hand make a U. Twist and turn and touch your hand. National. Left. Make an L and shift to the left. Left. Hand. Your fingers close together. Start with your right or dominant hand. Go across and then alternate. Hand. Day. Point your finger up on your dominant hand. Rest it on your non-dominant hand and then move down. Day. Happy National Left Hand Day.